subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.
Hi Mahesh.
Hi.
Do you want to do another activity with your crayons?
Yes.
Yes. So let's gather the crayons. Do you want more?
Yes.
Take it. Do you want more?
Yes.
Do you want more?
Yes.
Ooh. Do you want more?
Yes. I want one more.
Yay! You got so many! For the crayon paint art, you need a hairdryer, Fevicol, a sheet or a canvas, and a mat to spread underneath your artwork, and lots of colors. Arrange the color scheme as you want. I avoided browns and blacks. And remember to put a mat or newspaper underneath to protect from color drops. Fix all the crayons with Fevicol facing downwards. Now we are ready to melt the crayons with the blow dryer. Wow! Isn't the crayon melting art beautiful? It gives you this result. You can also decorate your painting by maybe drawing something on it or fixing something on it. Meher loves pom-pom, so we decorated it with pom-poms. Thank you for watching the video. If you like our efforts,
Do like my channel. Do like my videos. Bye-bye.